In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scale a drawing without changing dimensions in AutoCAD. Imagine you've got these two rectangles on your screen. There's a red rectangle and a green one. The green rectangle represents the original correct size of your object, precisely how you want it to look. However, you also want to increase the size of the box while ensuring its dimensions remain accurate. Now, you might think of manually editing these measurements to adjust the size, but honestly, that could take quite a while and isn't very efficient. Thankfully, AutoCAD offers a more streamlined solution by using dimension styles to automatically adjust the dimensions to match your new size. Let me walk you through the process. The first step is creating a new dimension style. To do this, you go to the Dimension Style Manager, where you can begin setting up a new style. Once you've created your new dimension style, navigate over to the Primary Units tab. You'll find an option called the Scale Factor. This is where you input the scaling value, basically the key to keeping your resizing accurate. Before you enter any value, it's crucial to determine the exact scaling needed. This is where your calculator becomes your best friend. Let's get those numbers right. What we need to do is divide the new dimension by the original. For instance, if your original size is 300 and you are scaling it to 500, you do a quick calculation and come up with a scale factor. In this case, dividing 300 by 500 gives us a scale factor of 0.6. Now, back to AutoCAD. Enter 0.6 as the scale factor in your new dimension style. This is the magic number that aligns everything perfectly. Applying this updated dimension style to your resized shape ensures that the old dimension scale is maintained while reflecting the new size. By using this method, you're achieving a larger rectangle without sacrificing any accuracy in the dimensions, all seamlessly within AutoCAD. And there you have it. By setting up a new dimension style with the correct scale factor, you can efficiently scale your drawing while keeping those precise dimensions intact. A practical solution to what can be a common challenge in design work. I hope this walkthrough was clear and helpful. Remember, precision in AutoCAD is just a few calculated clicks away. Thank you for sticking around, and I hope you feel more equipped to tackle your next project with this handy tool in your skill set. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.